Ever felt like your Dyson V10 is ghosting you? You pull the trigger for that satisfying vroom, but all you get is absolute silence. Fun fact, or maybe not so fun fact, your high-tech, expensive machine is currently being defeated by a piece of plastic smaller than a toothpick. Inside that sleek handle is a tiny lever that's notorious for snapping. It's basically the Achilles heel of the vacuum world. It's annoying, it's common, and it happens to the best of us. Ignoring a mushy trigger is a bad move. If it gets stuck on, you risk overheating the motor. Now, before you go Hulk smash on your machine, here are a few quick tips. First, stop squeezing. If the post is cracked, forcing it will only shatter the plastic into smaller pieces that can get sucked into the motor. Second, check if there's just dust jammed behind the red button. Sometimes a quick blast of compressed air can clear a temporary jam. But let's be real. If that trigger feels limp, it's internal, and that's where things get tricky. I know what you're thinking.
I'll just watch a video tutorial and fix it myself.
Well, we see so many owners try to DIY this, only to accidentally snap the battery ribbon cable or lose the tiny springs that make the vacuum work. Even worse, misdiagnosis. So why go through the stress, the lost screws, and the risk of breaking your expensive vacuum further? That's what we're here for. At RoboCare, we don't just fix the trigger, we upgrade it. We do a full diagnostic check to make sure it's actually the trigger, clean out those hard-to-reach dust clogs, and ensure your seals are airtight. No guesswork, no extra broken parts, and zero stress for you. Look at this result. It's clickier, sturdier, and it's gonna last you years, not months. We give your Dyson a full health check, ensuring no dust is clogging the airflow and the electronics are 100% safe. Don't settle for a broken vacuum or a risky DIY job. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.